To reset the fixed service interval on the Audi A1, if the car has the multimedia system fitted, you can do it on the car. So here, select car and systems, servicing and checks, service intervals, and reset oil change interval. So that's the interval reset. Now this is only for the fixed interval. If the car is specified for long life intervals, then this will need to be done using the diagnostic equipment along with the inspection light. So the inspection light, you can't reset that on the car, and if the A1 doesn't have the multimedia system, you won't be able to do it on the car either. You'll need diagnostic equipment.